In the last video, I have shown you how to set up Docker environment using OpenCode. And in this video, we will see how to install superpowers, OpenCode superpowers. Then we will see how to install Laravel 12 and configure it. And then we will use superpowers to create a small expense tracker CRUD app. So what you can do is type superpowers here, superpowers, search for it. Okay, and then we can go to this first URL which is there, which is coming up here. And then once I scroll down, okay, you can see OpenCode. Okay, so I'll go to detailed docs over here. Okay, I'll click on this, and then we will have a command to install it. Okay, and let's see the command here where we can find it. So you can use this command over here, copy this, and then let's go to our VS Code. So you need to have the OpenCode installed. So I've already installed it, and then what we need to do is paste this command over here and click on enter. Okay, and this would take some time. So you can see that superpowers have been installed, and next what we do is just confirm it. Is it installed? Okay. So I will just confirm. Okay, and we will get a response from the OpenCode if it is confirmed. And you can see that it is confirmed, and it is also giving us the version, okay, of the superpower. Okay. So next what we will do is we will install Laravel 12, and let's let's open the terminal over here. Okay, and let's go to execute and ls. Okay, you can see now we can put a command over here to install Laravel 12 app. Okay, and now let's install Laravel 12. Okay, and my project name will be expense tracker app. Okay, and I will click on enter, and you can see it is now downloading Laravel 12. Okay, and this would take some time, so I will pause the video. So now you can see that our Laravel 12 application has been installed, and you can see the entire installation process over here. So now let's go to the VS Code, and you can see the expense tracker app folder, and you can see all the Laravel files over here. And now when I hit this URL, you can see the fresh installation of the Laravel 12 application. Okay. So now what we can do is we can establish the connection to .env, because we need to connect our phpMyAdmin, that is MySQL server, to the Laravel application. I can just give it a prompt saying update the .env file in expense tracker app. Okay, update .env file, database settings, check the database settings from Docker compose.yml file. Okay, so I can give this command over here, and then it will update the database settings. So you can see that it has updated the database settings. So now we are good to go to create our expense tracker CRUD app. Okay, now when you go to slash, okay, put a slash here, and if you go to skills, so if you go to skills, if you click on enter, you can see the skills available for us. These are provided by the superpower that we installed. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select brainstorming, and then I will use this command over here. Okay, and I will go to my VS Code back again, and let me paste this. So I'm going to create an expense tracker feature for Laravel 12 with all the migrations, Eloquent model, validations, and routing. So if I click on enter, so now it will take some time, and then it will install all of this. So you can see it is doing the to-dos. So these are the to-dos that it's going to do. So it's confirming with me. So I will say looks good. Sounds good. Okay. And okay, then it's asking me, do you want to use the default Laravel stack? I will say yes. Use the default stack. Okay, so I'm giving it the command. So you can see now it has given me all the points. Okay, design pattern points, and then I will say it's asking me, does this design look good? Design, I will say design looks good. Okay, and now it will continue. So you can see it created me docs. Okay, superpower docs and specs. So you can see it is writing all the specs inside this file. So you can see the specs inside this file, expense tracker design.md. So it is writing all the specs, and you can see all the specs that are written over here. So I'll say looks good. Okay. So now it is updating the to-dos. So now it is doing the implementation. Okay, since I approved the plan. So now what it has created a plan. You can see under doc superpower, there is a plans and there is a specs, MD files. So let's say the first option, sub-agent driven. So as it is recommended. So I'll say one. Okay. So one. So now it will execute it. So you can see it has created to-do tasks. Okay. You can see all the to-do tasks that it has created. So you can see now it has created to-dos and all the steps, database migration first, then allocate models and other steps. You can see that it has created two migrations over here now. Okay, so it is creating these files. Okay, okay, this is how it would implement all the tasks, and once done, so we should be able to see the complete app.